Module 1, ALTC 805. As we begin to talk about the demographics of this county, Pratt County, there's actually 6 different school districts in the county. The county population is 9,378 people. The majority of the jobs come from agriculture. They provide 1,608 jobs, or 21.56% of the entire workforce in the county. Those jobs are from the feedlot, farms, the co-op, which we have 2 located in our county, farms, BTI, which is a John Deere dealership, Kinchlow's, which is another ag implement dealership, and Can Equip. So as you can see, we are a rural district, and a lot of the jobs, like I said, are from the agriculture industry. So 350.6 million, or roughly 74.57% of the economy of Pratt County comes from agriculture. So this is very important, not only to our county, our city, but to our school also. So if we look at those tax dollars, how they're generated, it's coming from the ag income, from the ag properties. So that is very crucial to our school demographics. To kind of go along with those demographics is being rural. Our bus route, we're located 2 miles west of Pratt on Highway 54. The structure was first occupied in 1967. It was a consolidation district that included the areas of Sawyer, Coates, Tullison, and Byers. So we are 490 square miles within its boundaries. I'll go back up to the slide before. So that is our district map. So when you look at that, we have 5 bus routes that run, and the earliest bus route leaves school is 6 o'clock. So we have quite a wide area. So let's look at the school organization. We are PK-12 in one building. Last year we had a 4-year-old preschool. This year we added a 3-year-old preschool. So we are housed all in one building. The tech building is the ag building, and it has one other classroom in there. The rest of it is all under one roof. So we have one middle school / high school principal. That principal's job is everything that the middle school principal would need to do, and high school principal. So we have one of those, and then we have one elementary principal, which, like I said, is the PK through actually 6th grade would be considered our elementary. As we look at our classes, we have one 3-year-old preschool, one 4-year-old preschool, and then for every grade through 4th grade, we have 2 teachers. So the classes are split. Then in 5th, 6th, and 7th, 8th grade, 5th and 6th graders are grouped together for a project-based learning. So they have different learning stations they go to. And then our 7th and 8th graders are considered the middle school. And those teachers overlap with middle school and high school. So for instance, I teach both high school ag and middle school ag. Our math teachers are both middle school and high school. Same way with our ELA and our social studies teachers. We have one student and family support coordinator. This person is the counselor, works on schedules, career success, dual enrollment classes, one school nurse, which covers the entire facility, one elementary / middle school secretary, one high school secretary. We have 37 PK through 12 teachers, and then 21 other staff. That includes our bus drivers, kitchen help, janitorial. So that's what we have for our school organization. As we look at our ethnic background, 89.77% are white. We have Hispanic is 7.16. So we really are not that diverse of a population. Language, 4.1% are ELL students, and 95.9 are non-ELL. Even our ELL, I feel, are very fluent in English. If we look at our economics, non-economically disadvantaged, we have 69.57%, and 30% are that are economically disadvantaged. Gender, so we have 54.48 males and 45.52 females. Um, I did not look and see what the breakdown was for middle school, high school, elementary, seeing as how we are all under one building. I took that into consideration when I was doing this. So if we look at our student academic information, our assessment results. So this is the building, like I said, K through 12. I did include a district one down there on the history and the government, but building. So as you can see here, clear to the right, which would be level 4, we're at 6.89% for math. So level 2 is where the bulk of those is 55.17. ELA, we're in that level 1 with 41.37%. Math, the same way. And then history and government, we have no level 4. We are 2s and 3s. Post-secondary options, we have Pratt Community College. So our students are able to attend classes at campus on Pratt, but also they can take dual credit and stay here on the Skyline campus. And we have an agreement with our ag program that they will accept our classes. As we look at our educational options, educational placement, students are placed academically. Also, some of their educational placement is what their future career plans are. We've had students who would be entering the military, and they can take a test and actually not have to take like the level 4 English that we offer here. If they pass that test and are ready for the military sufficiency, then they can actually skip taking that. As we look at our learning accommodations, we have MTSS that's practiced throughout the entire campus. Those modifications that we also use is, maybe instead of just doing the verbal instructions, provide written instructions. A lot of times in my class, being the ag class, I kind of had the advantage of being able to offer a choice board where they have 3 or 4 different choices that they can do for that assignment. Then as we look into our testing accommodations, we have a sit team. When we continually have the same students that are struggling, they will be referred to the sit team, and then we'll take action after that. And then also the IEPs that our students are placed on, so both for the gifted and then also for the special ed. So in a nutshell, that is the demographics of Pratt, Kansas, Skyline School District.